never mind. Oh,
to do, I will have this link in the description for you guys. You guys can't see the link right now, but I'll have it in the description for you guys. So all you need to hit is iTweakOS. You just click that, you hit allow, and then you probably will have to put in your password. If you do have a password, it's your password, not mine. So you hit install this, and this is the Electra Jailbreak. And then you have TweakOS right here. You just open it up. And it should load perfectly and fine. Then you go to Jailbreak Tweaks. Go to Jailbreaks, and you see Electra right here. And you just click it, and then you hit install. Back at your home screen. And then it would be waiting right there. Guys, I'm back now, and it's done. And I'm showing you guys how to get this without a computer, so you don't need a computer to do this. So once you have it on your device, you are going to have to go to settings. So you go to settings, then you go to the general tab, go profiles and device management, and the website profile for TweakOS, you're going to have, I already showed you that, so here it is, and you hit trust, and then you back out, you open it up, add, and then we'll have iOS 11.1.2 tweaks without a computer. Just hit jailbreak, and it would say please wait 1 to 3, 2 to 3, and then once it's done, it'll have a spinning thing. You can probably see the spinning things right there, and then it should respring, not fast, and then put whatever you have. If you have a password, put it in. So here we go. So put your password in, go over, and you'll have Anemone SSH, and you'll have SSH blobs. So right now Cydia is not working for iOS 11, but once they get it updated, then it will work. So I will have links in the description for the updated version and stuff like that, tell you when it's updated. And Anemone works perfectly, so I can open it up. So now you can get tweaks on your iOS device. So it's that easy. So that is the video, guys. Hope you guys subscribe and like the video.